Hello friends, in this video I will tell you first program of your Python. So first you open your Visual Studio Code. Now first you open your new file. This is your new file. So my first program, write a program, write word. So write a print function in double inverted comma. You write hello world. Okay. This is your print function. Inside your print function in double inverted comma, you write hello world. Hello world is a type of message. Suppose if you want to write any lines, any word, so you can write with the help of this parenthesis inside in your double inverted commas. Okay. So this is your question. First program. Write a program to print hello world. And this sign is used for your comment out. What is the meaning of comment out? Comment means with this sign you can write any word, any line. First Python program is now saved. So you run your Python program. Click on click on run without debugging. You can also press Ctrl plus F5 for shortcut to run your program. So here this is your first Python program, hello world.